In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign conversations in Help Scout. Assigning conversations is the simplest way to create clear ownership, reduce duplicate work, and make sure every customer gets a timely response. I'll walk you through 2 common places you'll assign from and share a few tips to keep things smooth and organized. First, let's look at assigning directly inside a conversation. Start by opening the conversation you want to route. At the top of the thread, you'll see the Assign icon. It usually looks like a person or a silhouette, and it sits alongside other conversation actions. Click that icon to open the assignment menu. You'll see a list of users you can assign to. If you have a long teammate list, just start typing a name to filter it down. When you see the right person, click their name, and the conversation is assigned to them on the spot. This works the same way if you want to assign it to yourself, to another teammate, or, if your plan includes it, to a team mailbox or shared team. If you don't see the person you're looking for, they may not have access to that mailbox, or they might not be active in your Help Scout workspace, so double-check permissions if needed. Once assigned, everyone can clearly see who owns the next reply, which keeps your queue tidy and predictable. Now, if you're working through a list of emails, assigning from the inbox or folders view can be faster, especially for bulk actions. From your inbox or a specific folder, select one or more conversations using the checkboxes. As soon as you select them, a floating action bar will appear along the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your layout. Click Assign, choose the user the same way as before, and those selected conversations will all be routed at once. This is perfect for triage sessions, when you want to distribute new messages to the right people or teams in a single pass. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct conversations before assigning, especially when working in bulk. A quick tip to wrap up: assigning isn't permanent. If priorities change or someone is out of office, you can reassign at any time using the same steps. The assignee will typically be notified according to their notification settings, helping them jump in quickly. With these 2 methods, you'll keep your queue organized, your team aligned, and your customers happy.